Welcome to Anaya's recipes. Today we are going to make tortilla recipe. 2 cup water. 2 cup white flour. Salt 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Olive oil 1 tablespoon. 2 teaspoon milk powder. Mix it well. Leave it for 30 minutes on room temperature. Check the consistency. Pour in fry pan and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. We make 5 tortillas from this measurement. If you want to increase the quantity, you can change accordingly. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Also follow us on TikTok.